Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah has sharply pulled up his cabinet colleagues over delays in responding to questions raised by legislators in the assembly, warning that such lapses have embarrassed the government. Siddaramaiah warned in letter to all ministers on Monday that the lapse embarrassed the government, had undermined the dignity of the House and directed immediate corrective action. A list of department-wise questions that have remained unanswered from the first session to the 9th session of the 16th Karnataka Legislative Assembly for the year 2023 to 2026 have been prepared. It has been observed that as of the Assembly sitting held on 16th March 2026, out of 245 questions, only 90 have been answered so far, Siddaramaiah said. He further noted that the failure to respond has directly impacted legislators' ability to participate effectively in proceedings. This has not only caused serious embarrassment to government, but also undermined the right of the legislators and the dignity of the House, he added. The Chief Minister's letter comes a day after an unprecedented development in the Assembly, when Speaker UT Khader adjourned the proceedings and walked out over inadequate replies provided by government departments. During the session, Home Minister G. Parameshwara had tabled answers for less than half of the questions asked, triggering sharp reactions from the opposition. Leader of opposition R. Ashoka accused the government of ignoring repeated warnings from the chair. The Speaker had earlier stated that he would not continue to run the House unless ministers and officials ensured proper and complete responses. He later held discussions with the Chief Minister on the issue. Taking serious note, Siddaramaiah had now directed departmental secretaries to immediately furnish explanation for the delay. He also instructed that in case where replies are still pending, departments must write separately to the concerned MLAs, providing a definite timeline for submitting the information. The development highlights growing concerns over accountability and responsiveness within the government as the Assembly continues its ongoing session.